Hello friends, in today's video we'll discuss about another important time cycle. I've discussed this time cycle before, but I wanted to repeat it again because Voltas has seen a very good rally. So how these kind of moves can be captured well in advance using past data, and as new year is coming, so use these techniques in the coming year to capture some significant move in any stock or any instrument of your choice. These calculations are based on natural laws, so they are quite simple in nature, and hopefully it will help you out in capturing some significant moves in the market. So, what exactly is this technique? So, I'll take an example of Voltas because Voltas saw a very good rally of almost 11% in 2 days. Can these kind of moves captured well in advance is what we are focusing on. So to capture these moves, we use a concept of days. So you know, a month, 1 month equal to 30.437 days. Few months have 31 days, few months have 28 days. So on an average, if you calculate, so this is Convertpedia, and 1 month is equal to 30.437 days. Now what we have to do is, so suppose if I go back in 2018 when Voltas made a major top. Let me first hide this. So Voltas made a major top on this day. It made a high of 1636.9 on 29th August 2018. Now using these two date as an as an input, we'll try to capture the next important date. How do we do that? So first of all, uh, I'll divide this 16 divided by 10. So I get this value 63.69. Now I multiply this value by 30.437, which is the number of days in a month. I get a value 1.938 and add this value to this particular date. You'll get a date which is exactly 19th December 2023. Let's see what happened on 19th December 2023. 19th December 2023, Voltas was up almost 3% and the next day it was up almost 8%. So with this simple technique, and we can use the GAN price levels also. So first important thing is it was crossing this red number. So then once in the morning only we could have bought this. Then once it crossed about 900, you can hold on, and your ultimate target was 961. It made a high of around 957 and retraced back. So these kind of techniques are very helpful for even for option traders, who wants to capture quick moves, because if you're buying options, time should be in your favor. So these techniques can be used, quite frequently here. Let's take few more example. Let's take an example of any instrument of our choice. Let's take IOC as an example. I'll just hide this. What you have to do is go back 2, 3, 4 years back and try to find a major high and low, and based on that we'll try to see. So first I'll go to a daily chart. Reset this. Let's go somewhere in 2000. We need to find a major top or major bottom of this particular instrument. So it made a major top somewhere here. Here. So on 9th November 2021, it made a high of 94.35. So 94.35, I can put here IOC and 09 November 21. Now we divided by 10. If we don't divide by 10, what will happen is the values will be quite big, you know. So it is like it is giving in 2071, which are not tradable. So that is why. But a stock like IOC, where we don't need this, so we can obviously do that. What you can do is first let's do this 94 divided by 10 and copy this value and put this value. So you get a date 23rd August 2022. And if I don't want to divide it by 10, so I can directly put this value here and copy and paste the formulas. Uh, yep. So again, this value multiplied by 30.437, I get 2871, and you have to add this value to this value. So you'll get a date as 9 2029. So which again it's a problem. I mean you have to wait for this time, so that is why you divide by 10 and all that. So let's see what happened on 23rd August 2022 also for IOC. 23rd August 2022. So these techniques doesn't give trade so frequently, but 23rd August, see here, this was the date. After that you see it was never able to break this high, and once the low was breached we had a wonderful move. So again, sometimes you get big moves, sometimes you get smaller moves, but yes, this is how you can use this technique. So now for January month, let's see if we have any more stocks which are coming in. So this is called as time price interchange in GAN. See, we have data almost till 2023. First, let's find for December of 2023 if we have any more stocks which we can focus on. Yeah, so these are the stocks. So Aarti Industries is coming on 23rd and Cipla is coming on 28th. These are the two stocks you have to keep in mind. And for the coming week, so 23rd is almost gone. So 25th out is a holiday. So 26th you can take and 28th. And that you can pause this video and check it out. Like DLF was on 12th December. And for 2024, let me give you some stocks in January, which are coming as a part of this scanner. So it gives you an extra advantage, like you can prepare yourself to capture these kind of beautiful moves. So these are the stocks. You can pause this video. ACC, Cadila, Hindustan Unilever, PI Industries, TVS Motors. These are the stocks which are coming in, which you can keep an eye on. So yeah, that's a very small and sweet video to make you understand the power of time cycles. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can always ask me. Happy holidays.